So I had to relay my staircase out, so I pretty much redid my line from here, and I'm gonna have to go up and relay out my little deals, but it's gonna be easy to do that because I'm just gonna transfer my lines. But I actually had to come out 3 inches to make it the right pitch that I needed. As you see, well, you can't see it, but right here, where I started from that line and I made another line, that's how far down I had to go to compensate from how high the staircase is actually, the landing is. So, and that way I have a right adjustment on my pitch here. So that way everything will work out right. So as I go up, I end up with one more step because of the inches that I had to take off. Hold on.